On flat paper, if we draw two straight lines that are infinite, they will always either be parallel or intersecting. Today's video will focus on the angles that form when two lines that are infinite intersect. Now, in this image, there are more than four angles, as there are reverse angles, but for today's video, we will focus on angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. These angles are called vertical angles. Angles 1 and 3 are equal, and so are angles 2 and 4. But how? Let's prove it. From our previous video, we learned that adjacent angles are two angles that lie on one straight line, and are equal to 180 degrees. This is applied to angles 1 and 2, which are on one straight line, and so they equal 180 degrees. The same can be said for angles 1 and 4, which also lie on a straight line, meaning they are also equal to 180 degrees. So we found that angles 1 and 2 are equal to 180 degrees, and so are angles 1 and 4. Because angle 1 never changes its degree value, we find that angle 2 and angle 4 are both equal. We can now do the same thing with angles 1, 4, and 3. We know that angles 4 and 1 are adjacent and equal 180 degrees. We can do the same thing with angles 4 and 3, and they also equal 180 degrees. We can rewrite our equation to equal angles 4 plus 1 is equal to angles 4 plus 3. We can just simply get rid of angle 4 on both sides, giving us angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now that we know how angles 1 and 3 are equal, and 4 and 2 are equal, let's try a simple problem. We know that angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. How could we find angle 2's value, angle 3's value, and angle 4's value? Well, first we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 3, meaning that angle 3 is equal to 50 degrees. But how can we find angle 2 and 4? Well, we know that angles 1 and 2 are on a straight line and are adjacent, meaning they are equal to 180 degrees. If we know that angle 1 is equal to 50, we can find that angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, subtract angle 1, or 50 degrees, meaning that angle 2 is equal to 130 degrees. Now, to find angle 4, we just know that angle 2 is equal to angle 4, meaning that if angle 2 is equal to 130 degrees, we can simply say that angle 4 is also 130 degrees.